Want to showcase your brand and provide important information before users sign a waiver? With WaiverForever Splash page feature, you can customize a branded welcome page with text and images. It can be used as a welcome screen for your customers and presents a list of available waiver templates for your customers to pick from. To set up a Splash page, go to Account Settings. Click on the Splash Page tab. You can upload business pictures or your logo and add some welcome text. Then choose the waivers you'd like to list on the Splash page. Once the Splash page is saved, you will get a Splash page URL that you can add to your own website or share with your customers for online signing and your kiosk. Now you can make a lasting impression and provide important details with WaiverForever Splash page.